In this video, we will learn about what is machine learning and what are the types of machine learning. Machine learning means what? Here we are surrounded by humans who can learn everything from their experience with their learning capability, and we have computers or machine which work on our instructions. But can a machine also learn from the experiences or past data like human does? So here comes the role of machine learning. See the picture. Here human can learn everything automatically from their experiences. Yes, we can learn. But machine, yes, I can also learn from the past data with the help of machine learning. That is a machine learning. Machine learning basically divided into three parts. First one is supervised learning, second one is unsupervised learning, and third one is reinforcement learning. This is a classification of machine learning. Supervised learning means what? It is a learning process under a supervision. Here teacher taught to the student that 2 plus 2 is equals to 4 or 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. That is addition. Once student got trained about this addition, he will automatically perform the addition. So when teacher asked to the student what is 3 plus 5, in that case student will tell that it is a 8. This means now that student will train about the addition. Supervised learning is when model is getting trained on a labeled data set. Labeled data set means what? It is a data set which has input data as well as the output data. So we have a algorithm, or we can say we have a training model which predict the new data. Labeled data is available in supervised learning. Labeled data means what? We have input data as well as we have a output data. This supervised used in two types of data. One is regression, second one is classification. Regression means what? It is a continuous value like weather prediction, stock prediction, and second one is classification. Classification means what? It contains the categorical value. For example, in Gmail, it is categorized into updates, social, spam, like this. This is an example of classification. And to solve this regression problem, some algorithms are used, such as linear regression, multiple linear regression, polynomial regression, support vector regression, decision tree regression, and random forest. And to solve the classification problem, some algorithms are used like logistic regression, k nearest neighbor, that is KNN, SVM means support vector machine, Naive Bayes algorithm, decision tree classification, and random forest classification. So these are the algorithms which are used for the problem which belongs to classification. Okay. Now second type is unsupervised learning. It is a learning method in which machine learns without any supervision. That means, suppose we have given some fruits set and they tell that you have to divide this fruit into categories. Okay, so you can categorize this fruit with their size, shape, dimensions. According to their features, we divide the given fruits into the related clusters. So mostly in clustering, unsupervised learning is used. If we have a data and based on their features, data is divided into clusters. So this is the meaning of unsupervised learning. Here use of recommendation is in e-shopping, YouTube. And in unsupervised learning, unlabeled data is used. Unlabeled data means what? Data with input data only, output is not provided. And here it is divided into, or we can say it is classified into two categories of algorithm. First one is clustering, second one is association. In clustering, K-means algorithm is used, and in association, a priori and E-CLAT algorithm are used. Third type is a reinforcement learning. It is a learning which is a feedback based learning. or we can say the process of encouraging or establishing a belief or pattern of the behavior. It is a type of machine learning where agent learns to behave in the environment by performing actions and see the result. For example, suppose you are playing a PUBG game. When you are playing the game first time, at that time you don't have that much idea how to play and how to win the game. But once you are used with that game, you can understand the things and you get rewarded. This is an example of reinforcement learning, that is a learning which is a feedback based learning. Now see what are the applications of machine learning. It is used in medical diagnostics, stock market trading, online fraud detection, virtual personal assistant, email spam, self-driving car, product recommendation, traffic prediction, speech recognition, image recognition, automatic language translation. These are the applications where machine learning is used. Thank you for watching my video.